You're going to either step up to your royalty or you're going to step down to your peasantry. And we are the ones who, off of the back of the suffering of our ancestors. The thing is, all this is karmic. Well, he said that what goes around comes around. The head is being made the tail, and the tail is being made the head. To the extent that it's a vibration, it's a flow of energy, negative versus positive polarity. To the extent you make the sacrifice on the physical end is to the extent that you bring back an opposite return. The yin and the yang. Those who suffer the most brings back the most. But you have to fulfill the sacrifice in order to measure the level of reward. So it's not just your own personal suffering you're about to reap the rewards of that. This goes all the way back to our ancestral suffering. That's how we are stepping up on the back of their suffering as the new rulers for the new age. But you have to know who you are. You have to know your power. We are in training to rule in our humanity. We can't be a tentative ruler. We can't send our power out and then look over our shoulders and wonder if it's going to happen. But you can't serve two masters. So now is the time to empower yourself through spirit from Mama Universe. It's Mama time. That's magic. All in divine order. It's all been prophesied. And it's all unfolding according to prophecy. The only one who don't understand this is the ones who is to step up and activate that power. This is real. It is real. But you got to know it. This is what they meant when they took Neil to the oracle. He said, no, you're not the one. And I don't know what you're waiting on. Maybe your next life. And she pointed at the sign above the door and said, know thyself. You don't know it. You're not it. And this is what Trinity passed to Neil, her knowing it. Her knowing he was the one. Because the oracle had told her she was going to fall in love with him.
Being the one is just like being in love. No one can tell you you're in love. You just know it. Through and through. Balls to bone.